FOAID was an eye-opener for me. I didn't know such a large format existed. It was professionally done, professionally held, and fabulously set up.
I really appreciate the effort that the team puts in to ensure that amongst ourselves, the architects have a fruitful conversation. We are exposed to ideas that we're not just listening to each other talk about the same things. There is a certain instigation to think differently. And I think that's possibly to do with the youth, the youngness of FOAID.
I've been attending FOAID since its inception. This may be about, I don't know which 8th edition that I'm attending. And I am very happy to see that it is going a step higher every year, whether it is in Delhi, Bombay, Metro or any tier 2 cities. It is making a difference as far as the quality of presentations, the panel discussions and the issues that you're raising. It is making a difference within the community.
It's very encouraging. It's very encouraging to see that there is a platform in India that can draw so many people, even on a Saturday early morning.
For us architects, it's very important to be continuously updated and know about new products, new repertoires of translating our work into the material reality.
We do interior design and you cannot think of interiors without art, so it gives a more holistic approach to the products.
I'm seeing it from last 3 years and the way it's doing, because it involves and evolves. So it's involving everybody and it's evolving constantly. So the growth is tremendous.
Meeting people in FOAID, it is like meeting your family member.
FOAID is my family now.